Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and I just did a video about this the other night. If you don't have any interest in it, this is rotating the stepper motor. But my mathematical guru helped me out again. He suggested putting two circles the center is off our pivot point. So I'm going to move this out of the way, and I'm going to create two bolt holes. Whoop. Smart fill tool. Fill that in with the yellow and move it over. So that represents our two bolt holes. Now let's rotate them from the center and watch them follow the circles. So you get them as far as you want to do it. Well, then Control D, and go off that center pivot. That's why I put in the index lines. And then you could left click, right click, and take your virtual segment delete key and delete that inside. And then fill that in with yellow. And then fill that in with yellow. And then this is going to be as pattern. And it works. Let's put that object in front of page so you can actually see it work. So if this is a stepper motor and this bolt is fixed, the other bolts are going to slide right along, and this is exactly the same as that one. So you just do the same thing on all three bolt holes. I don't think you're going to need that much movement, but it is amazing how the outside movement moves quite a bit more than the inside movement. So I thank my internet math guru, and thank y'all for watching.